Hi, hello world. Tom Bradley penned touching note for his daughter from his ex-wife Giselle Bundchen, 12 birthdays saying on it, Happy 12th birthday to my forever baby girl. Watching you grow and chase after your dreams are the proudest moment of my life. Your love, compassion, and joy fill up every room that you are in and always make your daddy smile. You light up my life. Here's to a great day filled with all the laughter and love that you desire. I love you, infinity by infinity. What a felt heartwarming message coming from her father. Her daughter grow up beautiful as look-alike of her mother. As to the 8-month pregnant supermodel Giselle Bundchen enjoying her beach time alongside with her boyfriend Joaquim in Costa Rica. They make their quality time as romantic as it was to express their love to each other. As to what we can see how Joaquim show how tender and gentle he treats Giselle with love embracing in it. Lovely day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!